Have you ever heard of Neuralink, the startup founded by Elon Musk that is pursuing artificial intelligence integration with the human body? They created a chip that consists of 96 small polymer threads, each with 32 electrodes, and it can be implanted into the brain. This type of technology may sound like something out of a science fiction novel, but it is in fact reality. This chip allows you to connect your brain to electronic devices without any physical contact. Questions arise. Is this technology really necessary? Is it going to be useful? Are we prepared for this kind of advancement? How will it affect us in the future? To answer these questions, it's important to consider the challenges artificial intelligence presents. Top common challenges in AI. There are several artificial intelligence problems, and we are going to address these challenges and how to solve them. 1. Computing power. The computing power needed for machine learning and deep learning, two of the building blocks of artificial intelligence, is a major factor that keeps many developers away. There are numerous fields in which these technologies could be used, such as asteroid tracking, healthcare applications, and cosmic body tracing. However, this requires an expensive supercomputer, and not everyone is able to afford one. Additionally, with more data and increasingly complex algorithms being created, cloud computing and parallel processing are becoming more expensive. 2. Trust deficit. The difficulty of understanding how artificial intelligence can use a certain set of inputs to come up with a solution to various issues is concerning for many. A lot of people are unaware of AI and its integration into everyday items such as mobile phones, smart TVs, banking services, and even some automated cars. 3. Limited knowledge. Even though AI can be a more effective replacement for outdated techniques, knowledge regarding its capabilities is limited. Apart from technology experts, college students, and researchers, few people are aware of what AI can do. For instance, many small and medium-sized enterprises (SMEs) could benefit from AI by scheduling their tasks, increasing production, managing resources and goods online, analyzing consumer behavior, and adapting to the market, but they are unaware of the service providers such as Google Cloud and Amazon Web Services. 4. Human level. This is a very significant challenge in AI, which has caused researchers to be anxious about AI services in businesses and startups. These organizations may be claiming accuracy levels higher than 90%, but humans can do better. For instance, let's say we have a model that can tell us whether an image is of a dog or a cat. People are usually able to determine the correct answer with an accuracy rate of over 99%. Achieving this degree of accuracy with a deep learning model would be extremely difficult and require a lot of work, such as hyperparameter optimization, a large data set, accurate algorithms, and powerful computing power. Rather than going through all of this effort, one could use a service provider to train specific DL models using pre-trained models that were already trained on millions of images. However, even these models tend to produce errors and would have trouble reaching human-level performance. 5. Data privacy and security. The ability to train deep and machine learning models relies on access to data and resources. Unfortunately, this data is often generated by millions of users, making it vulnerable to malicious use. For example, if a healthcare provider has the personal details of 1 million citizens in a city, a cyber attack could put this information on the dark web. Even more concerning is the enormous amount of data being generated globally. This opens up more opportunities for data leakage. Fortunately, some firms are innovating to protect against these threats. They are training data on smart devices so that only the trained model is sent back, not the raw data. 6. The bias problem. Organizations must acquire quality data in order for AI systems to be successful in the future. Unfortunately, The data that is typically collected is biased and fails to represent a broad range of people, as it is based on religious, ethnic, gender, and racial factors. Algorithms must be created in order to effectively detect and address these biases. 7. Data scarcity due to recent charges of unethical use of user data from major companies like Google, Facebook, and Apple. Countries like India have put in place strict ID regulations. This has posed a challenge for these companies to develop applications for the global market using local data, which could lead to bias. Data is an integral part of AI, and labeled data is used to teach machines and enable them to make predictions. Companies are trying to come up with innovative solutions to create AI models that will give reliable results despite the lack of data. Without unbiased information, the whole system may become unreliable. Conclusion: despite the discouraging issues faced in the realm of AI, humanity can effectively tackle these obstacles through collective effort. Microsoft proposes that aspiring engineers need to equip themselves with modern tech proficiency to have a chance to work for the organizations of the future. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to the channel and put likes. Goodbye.